Melanie from Magnolia has a question about roof venting.
Yeah, it's for a 20-year-old roof that came with her two-story house. Has lots of peaks and gables, she says, and I'm interviewing contractors, and I'm getting conflicted information on vents. One says remove the current vents. She has those turbine ones, right? And do all ridge vents. One says replace turtles with all whirlybirds and add up to 4 more. 2 say keep the vents as is, just replace with the newer of the same kind. Can you see why that's getting confusion?
I'm already confused.
Melanie wants your advice on venting the roof.
Ridge vents.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next
question. No.
Okay.
Ridge vents on all the ridges, soffit vents on all your soffits.
Right.
Good quality roof. It'll look beautiful.
And the ratio
it'll
on
work.
the soffits to the ridge vents?
Well, we can get into numbers. I can tell you this. And you can't always get perfect.
Well, the reason I'm saying this is I want Melanie to make sure they do it right.
Well,
because if she's getting
if she hires a good roofer, she'll get it done right. But
so my gut would be go to the first guy who said all ridge vents.
Yes, absolutely, because you can't have perfect. But the bottom line is this: all these other gizmos and gadgets, they're antiquated. We don't need them anymore. They have a place if you're like have a shed or a porta potty or something like that. But on your roof, ridge vents, soffit vents. If you want to get into numbers, it's 150 square feet of attic space. You need 1 square foot of opening, 60% down, 40% up. But I don't want you to just muddle it all up with all these numbers. Just put it everywhere you can. You can't have too much. And sometimes you can only have what you can have, but at least it'll be a good quality roof, and you won't have all those ridiculous things on it.
And don't be tempted to add some other vents.
No, because it starts to bypass everything.
Right, exactly.
And starts to suck from this and
that would
shut out from that, and it really is not a pleasant experience, okay? But ridge vents and soffit vents, Charlie, there's no doubt about it. I said that in 1988 here in Houston, Texas, and everybody thought I was crazy.
Well, they still do. But.
Well, they still think I'm crazy, but if you look at the GAF roofing warranties, if you don't have a ridge vent, you don't have a warranty.
Brother, it's okay to be crazy as long as you're right.
Okay, thank you.
And he was, and he is, and he remains correct. So go ahead and send your question, and we'll give you a correct answer. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form on the homepage at HomeShowRadio.com. It's new and spiffy, and you should check it out. And check out these other videos, and subscribe to our channel. Ring the bell, or post the bell. Click the bell, whatever you do with the bell.
Just bell it.
And we'll ring yours. Ding.
Yes.